Hello everyone, we are Fengfei and Lu Yutang from the MCPIL team of Beijing University of Post and Telecommunications. It's our great honor to place among the top 4 teams in the Marine Vision Restoration Challenge. Next, we will introduce the specific methods we used to enhance the visual quality of underwater images. We have proposed the HL-NFNet model, which integrates the frequency separation and fusion technology with NFNet post-processing. The overall structure is presented in the figure. This allows the image to undergo an initial restoration phase, followed by a second phase of NFNet restoration, aiming to enhance the clarity and color fidelity of the image. As shown above, the model architecture consists of the following key modules. First, frequency separation and fusion. After convolutional pre-processing, we reduce the spatial dimensions of the image through average pooling to extract the low-frequency information. High-frequency information is obtained by subtracting the upsampled low-frequency information from the original image. For the high-frequency information, we use multi-layer perception annotation to highlight image details. The low and high-frequency filter images are then processed in parallel through a multi-branch block to enhance the expression of filters. Finally, channel annotation is used to filter low and high frequency information, enhancing the final output. Second, pixel annotation block. This block captures a comprehensive statistical profile of the filter map. It then utilizes one-by-one convolutions with a relook activation to craft an annotation map. In addition, we also consider the U-Net model and experimented with combinations of different methods. The results showed that the combination of HL and NFNet performed better. Then we detect the restored underwater images based on EuroView Smart. The final submission results earned us the second place. When compared with the results of others, we realized that there is still much for us to learn and improve in underwater image restoration and detection. Nevertheless, we are delighted to have taken part in this competition. It has been a truly rewarding experience. Thank you.